This is the Edit in Excel tutorial. Being able to edit the project in Excel is one of the program's most powerful features. Valuation is not an exact science, and there will always be times when you'll need to either understand how a calculation is performed, or to change the way a calculation is performed, or how something is displayed. The Edit in Excel feature allows you to do all of this and more. To edit your project in Excel, you can either select the toolbar button from the drop-down menu or select the Edit directly in Excel icon. From inside the Edit in Excel view, look for the ones in the green row and column to the left and above the sheet. To hide any column, change the 1 to a 0 in the green area above that column. To hide any row, change the 1 to a 0 in the green area to the left of that row. You will see the effect of these changes when you return to the work view of the sheet. There is a difference between editing the sheet and selectively showing or hiding information that is already in the worksheet. If you add or delete rows and columns in the financial statements section of the program, you'll very likely corrupt the financial statements. So although we encourage you to edit the format and style of financial statements, please do not edit the structure. Do not add or delete columns or rows in the existing worksheets. Once the program is open to Excel, you can use Excel to view formulas, change formats, or do anything else you would normally do in Excel. Notice at the bottom there are tabs to give you access to the entire workbook. Since the workbook is large, it might be easier to go back to the program and use the navigator to find the schedule that you want and then edit in Excel again. That's easier than shifting through hundreds of schedules on the tabs at the bottom. There is an Edit in Excel toolbar that appears when you edit the worksheets in Excel. Look for the Return button that will allow you to return to the program. Please note that pressing the Return button is the only correct way to return to the native mode of the program. If you succeed in closing the Edit in Excel window using the red X in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, it may make the program unstable. So please use the program-specific method to close out of Excel. Here's a note of caution. The workbook is very complicated, and there are a lot of tabs. Make sure that you're familiar with the ways that the worksheets work together before you make big changes to the program. If you need help, please call our technical support department. As we said at the beginning of this tutorial, you can change the format of the financial statements, but we encourage you not to change any of the structure. So use the financial statement section of the navigator if you want to change the format and select Edit in Excel. Once Excel opens to the financial statements, you can make whatever formatting changes you would like. For example, if you want to add dollar signs to the numbers, highlight the numbers that you want to add dollar signs to. Bring up the formatting dialog and select Currency. Then select the Enter key. The number will now be displayed in currency format. You can also change underlines, colors, fonts, etc. When you return to the program, you'll see that the numbers have changed and have dollar signs in the program as well. Remember, what you see in Excel is exactly the same thing you see in the program. There are 3 custom worksheets available in the program located under Custom Worksheets in the Navigator. The easiest way to work with these is to select the worksheet you want to use and then select Edit in Excel. From inside these worksheets, you can make any calculations you want, and you can even map cells or ranges to other parts of the worksheets or workbook. This is the end of the Edit in Excel tutorial.